Video is just going to take you through some of the special features that you'll find when using one of the tutorials. If I look on the main page, if you just type in MakeCode, this will be the first choice. You just click on it. We're at MakeCode Microbit. And if I wanted to do a project from scratch, I could click on New Project. And it would ask me to put in the name. I'll just say Test Project, just to show you what it's like. I hit Create, and then I have all of the blocks that I possibly could want. But since we're going to start with a tutorial, I'm going to click on this little microbit symbol, and it's going to take me back to the main page. And I'm simply going to show you that there are tons of tutorials here. So you have a lot of projects that you can start with. We're going to do one of the simplest projects, which is the flashing heart, which says if you're new, start here. So I'm going to click on that, and there's a video to watch the lesson ahead of time if you want. And then you have the choice of coding in blocks, Python, or Java. These are two text-based coding languages, but we're going to start here with blocks. And we're going to click on that, and it's going to show you a little GIF that shows what should happen if you're successful in completing this. So I'm going to click OK, and let's just go around the area to see what's happening here. Here I have a simulator that's going to show me what's happening that should happen on the microbit. There are a couple buttons underneath here. I can make my microbit the full screen. I can make it small again. I can make a ping file of my microbit flashing heart. I can play sound if there's sound. I can have it start over, and I can play if there's something to play. So that's the simulator, and then I have directions at the top, and I can have them read through an immersive reader. So I can click on here, and then I could actually play it, and it will read the words to you.
Click on the basic category in the toolbox.
Right? So you can have it read the whole thing or read a part of it at a time. And the only thing I don't like is you have to leave your area for coding to have it read to you. So in the directions, you'll see these special features, like it will show you the blocks. So I'm using the basic block, and this is saying go to the toolbox. So here's a toolbox, and when we were looking before at creating our own project, there were lots to choose from. Because we're doing a tutorial, it's only going to show you the blocks that you need. So I only need the basic blocks. And it says drag the show LED block into the forever block. Then in the show LED block, click on the squares to draw a heart design. So I'm just going to click on the basic category. And I only have two choices right now, so I'm going to take the show LED, and it says to place it inside the forever block. And then I'm supposed to make it draw a heart design. So let's see. I'm not really great at drawing on these LED screens, but I'm going to give it my, no, let's do here and then here. Okay, so that's good. And it's going to, because it's in a forever loop, it's going to show up now in the simulation. I don't have to touch anything else. And I can go on to the next. If I wasn't sure that I had done it correctly, I can look at this little light bulb. This is the hint spot, and it's showing me do exactly what I just did. Put it in forever, and then draw the heart. And if a student's having trouble drawing the heart, that's kind of cool because it shows them what the heart should look like. So that hint is great. I always try to have the students figure it out themselves first, and then they can check their work if they're not sure that it's done correctly. At the bottom, I have an undo and a redo, and I can also make it bigger if I need to, or smaller, right? When I'm ready, I'm going to go on to the next step. This one says drag another LED, show LED underneath the first, so I'm going to go here, drag another one under here, and now I'm going to see that my heart is going to flash on and off. And so you can see it's stuck in a forever loop, so show the heart, blank, show blank, show blank, right? That causes that flashing. So then I'm just going to go to next, and it says look at the microbit on the screen. Do you see a flashing heart animation? And we do. So great job. The next step is going to actually walk me through downloading. Because I don't have my microbit hooked up, and you probably don't have a microbit when you're watching this first video, we're going to skip the download part for now, but it does walk you through how to attach your microbit and download it. I'm going to just go on to next, and now it's saying go further and add more show LED blocks to create longer animations. So I'm going to add another block here, and I am going to try to make my heart. It's not looking too much like a heart, is it? Let's take this one away and put it here. Take this one away. Okay, and now let's see. Hopefully it'll look like, yeah, maybe I need, there we go. Let's see what it looks like now. Now it looks like the heart is shrinking, right? Or maybe I want to start off with a small heart, and I want my heart to grow bigger. So I just changed the order. So it starts small, and it looks like my heart is growing. And if I really wanted to get clever, I could add another one. And this time I'm going to yeah, and here, no, and here, yeah. And then I'm going to fill the heart in. So it's going to grow, and then it's going to fill it in. And let's see what that looks like. That's pretty much it for that one. And if I go out, it will have it saved there for me. So I hope you enjoyed looking over these features. Check them out as you code your own parts and think, what is your favorite feature that supports students as they go through their first tutorials?